Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Faithful devotees, dear brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, today also we are going to discuss about the RUPA according to the Dhamma Sangani book, classification of the RUPA. How we understand about the classification of the RUPA. Now, we already finished before the classified into 2 groups. But today we are going to discuss 28 RUPA classified into 3 groups according to the Lord Buddha's teaching. Yeah. Now, first paragraph, first one, Ajjattikang upada, bahirang upada, bahirang no upada. This is our subject today. Classification into 3 groups. Ajjattikang upada, internal derived. Bahirang upada, external derived. And bahirang no upada, external not derived. Now we already studied before Ajjattika and Bahira. And Ajjattika same way, upada, no upada. We already studied before. Now we try how we understand about the RUPA. Ajjattikang upada. Now, do you remember the old type of RUPA? 28 type of RUPA. What are the 28? 4 element, 5 sensitive materiality, objective materiality, and the Bhava RUPA, and heart base, life faculty, Ahara RUPA, Akasa RUPA, 2 intimating RUPA, 3 changing RUPA, 4 characteristic RUPA. Now, those are RUPA we can divide into, first of all, Ajjattika Bahira, for the understand. Ajjattika and Bahira. How we understand Ajjattika, internal RUPA. Only there are 5 sensitivities. 5 sensitivities RUPA we call Ajjattika RUPA. Now, do you remember sensitivity materiality? This Pasada RUPA, how many? There are 5. Chakku Pasada, Sota Pasada, Ghana Pasada, Juha Pasada, Kaya Pasada. There are 5. Those are 5 RUPA we call Ajjattika, internal RUPA. Internal RUPA. Okay. Rest all are RUPA we call Bahiran, external. All other rupa, 23 rupa we call bahira, external. Now do you remember 28 type of rupa? We can divide into two groups first. For the understand, Ajjatika there are 5, Bahira there are 23. Again, Ajjatika there are 5, Bahira there are 23. How we understand? What are the Ajjatika Rupa? There are 5 sensitivities. What are the Bahira Rupa? There are 23. Plus 5 plus 23 become 28. Okay. Okay. Now, first of all, before go to the our topic, you must understand first of all Ajjatika Rupa and Bahira Rupa. Internal materiality and external materiality. Okay. Okay. Now, let's continue. Again, now there are 28 rupa. We can divide into two ways, upada and no upada. Upada and no upada. Derived and not derived. How many upada? How many no upada? Do you remember that? Upada, derived rupa, there are 24. 24, except for Mahabhuta. No upada is called Mahabhuta. For Mahabhuta is called no upada. Now again, 28 type of rupa we can divide into upada, no upada group. There are 4 elements. It's called no upada. Rest are called upada. Means there are 24 rupa is called upada, derived rupa. Okay. Now, how many upada rupa? There are 24. How many no upada rupa? There are 4. 24 plus 4 become 28. 28. Okay, now you know the two meaning, no? Now, do you remember about the Ajjatika Bahira and Upada, no Upada? Okay, Ajjatika and Bahira, Upada and no Upada. This is a 4 sentences. 4. One side, 28 rupa divide into two way, internal and external. But another side, 28 type of rupa they divide into two ways, upada and no upada. Okay. Now we can go to our original lessons, original place. Now you try to combine together. But now Ajjatika Bahira, Upada, no Upada, 4 sentences, 4 words. Now we are going to combine together, combine. Okay. Now Upada, no Upada, going to combine Ajjatikan and Bahira. Okay. Ajjatikan and Bahira. Now we are going to combine together. Ajjatikam, upada and no upada, no upada, going to combine together, Ajjatikan and Bahira. Okay, now, do you remember how many Ajjatika Rupa? There are 5. 5 sensitivities, internal Rupa. How many Bahira Rupa? Altogether, 23. 23 Bahira Rupa. Okay. Ajjatika there are 5, Bahira there are 23. How many upada rupa? There are 24. Upada rupa, there are 24. How many no upada rupa? There are 4. There are 4. Now, how we, those are explanation, we can divide into 2 categories. We can classify into 3 categories. Ajjatikang upada, bahirang upada, bahirang no upada. Because now 5 sensitivity rupa, ajjatika and upada. Ajjatika but including upada group. Ajjatika and including upada group. Ajjatika, upada, there are 5 rupa. All 5 ajjatikan fall within upada, only one category. Okay. Okay. Now, now you know the meaning of ajjatikang upada. There are 5 rupa. And now after that, the bahira rupa, we can make the 2 categories. Bahirang spreads over both upada and no upada. Bahirang spreads over both upada and no upada. Because of that, they have 2 categories. They have 2 categories. Bahirang no upada. The bahirang is external. No upada, not derived. There are 4 rupa, mahabhuta only. You see, mahabhuta we call bahirang no upada. Bahirang no upada. And same way, bahirang upada. Bahirang external. Upada derived. Means how many bahira, all bahira rupa, there are 23. 23 minus no upada, mahabhuta become 19. Now you see, bahirang upada is all Romanian 19 rupa. All Romanian 19 rupa. Now, okay, according to the this lessons, how our Lord Buddha divide into 2 way all of the rupa, how we understand ajjatikang upada, there are 5. Means internal derived rupa. Same way, bahirang upada, external derived rupa, there are 19. Bahirang no upada, external no derived rupa, there are 4. Now you can see ajjatikang upada, there are 5. Bahirang there are 19, and bahirang upada, there are 19. Bahirang no upada, there are 4. There are 4. Now you see again. Now that we make the summary of this lesson. Ajjatikang upada, bahirang upada, bahirang no upada. Now 28 type of rupa we can divide into 3 way, or we can classify the 3 groups. Ajjatikang upada, there are 5. Bahirang upada, there are 19. Bahirang no upada, there are 4. You see now Ajatika group, the red color, there are only 5. Bahir and the blue color, they make the two-way uh, green color, there are 19. No pada, they are a little bit the dark brown, there are 4. Now you see, again, Ajatikang Upada, there are 5. Bahirang Upada, there are 19. Bahirang no Upada, there are 4. This is an explanation of first categories, first classification. Okay, do you understand? Please let me know clearly. If you have anything to know, please let me know. How you understand about the, because now you see in the example there, but human body, for the male 27 rupa, for the female they are 27, because the only different sex materiality, bhava rupa. For the male side they are Purisa Bhava, for the female side, Itti Bhava. Now you see in our body, example is thing, you have the body, you have the life, but in the body they have 27 type of rupa. 27 type of rupa. Those are 27 type of rupa. We can make the 3 groups. 3 groups. Then internal, the body, they are internally, chakku, sota, ghana, jivha, khaya. Chakku, sota, ghana, jivha, khaya. There are 5 sensitivity rupa we call internal rupa. And about another 24, so 23 rupa we can call external rupa. External rupa. Now the Ajjatikam, Upadaka, internal, derived, there are 5 rupa only. How about the external rupa? External group, we make the 2 category, external derived and external not derived rupa. External not derived meaning only 4 element. Only 4 element. External, the derived rupa means there are 19. There are 19. Now you see in our body, eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, there are 5 sensitivities, internal, but derived. About the Bahira, externally, Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vaya, 4 elements, also externally. But no Upada, no, don't have quality of the derived Upada, Rupa. And Bahirang Upada means external, remaining external 90 Rupa we call Upada. Upada Rupa, derived Rupa. Okay, now according to our body, we can understand there are 5 sensitivity, this is internal, other all are external Rupa. Other all are external. Now the external Rupa, they make a 2 group, 4 element, external 4 elements are called Bahirang, no Upada. They are not depending with other Rupa. They have the power, energy to produce the Rupa. That's why we call no Upada. No Upada. And the Bahirang Upada, other all 19 Rupa, color, sound, taste, smell, faculty, life faculty, etc. Other all 19 Rupa. It's called external but Upada, derived. Now this is a meaning. Okay. Do you understand? I think should be okay, no? Mm. Anything else? If someone won't not understand or not clear, please let me know. I think should be okay, no? Yeah. Now, but anyway, you think about your body, your physical body. My physical body, they have 27 rupa. But those are 27 rupa. We can make that, we can classify three way, three group. We can divide it three group. First of all, internal, external. Internally, there are 5, external, there are 27. Upada, no upada, derived and not derived. Upada, there are 24, no upada, 4. Now they combine together. Ajjatang upada, bahirang upada, no upada. Ajjatang internal, derived, there are 5, eye, ear, nose, tongue, body. And external, derived. And external, not derived rupa. Easy way, external not derived means Mahabhuta only, 4 elements. Other, the 5 plus 4 become 9. The 27 minus 9 become 18. Because we are, for the male, only the Bhava Rupa, the male Rupa, the Purisa Bhava, for the female, Iti Bhava. Iti Bhava we can combine together, become 19. Now see, internal Upada 5, external Upada 19, external no Upada, there are 4. Okay, I think should be okay, no? Okay, now we go to the next next lessons. Ajjatikang upadinnang, bahirang upadinnang, bahirang anupadinnang. Classification into 3 groups. Ajjatikang upadinnang, internal kamma-born rupa. Very easy. Internal kamma-born rupa. Bahirang upadinnang, external kamma-born rupa. External kamma-born rupa. Bahirang anupadinnang, external not kamma-born rupa. Maybe chitta-born or utuja-born or aharaja-born rupa. Now you see, classification into 3 groups. Ajjatikang upadinnang, internal kamma-born rupa. Bahirang upadinnang, external kamma-born rupa. Bahirang anupadinnang, external not kamma-born rupa, means maybe external chitta-born or other rupa. Okay. But the note, upadinna, respect at, it's called kamma-born. The kammaja rupa is called upadinna. Very easy way. Okay, now we can continue. But revision, the revision notes. There are 9 types of kamma-born rupa kalapas. Do you remember that? Because in the before our maybe before last month, no, we already explained there are 4 types of rupa kalapa. 4 types of rupa kalapa. Karma-born materiality, consciousness-born materiality, and temperature-born materiality, and nutriment-born materiality. There are 4 types of kalapa. We already studied before. About kalapa, now you see, first, total 17 types of rupa can exist in kamma-born rupa kalapas. 8 inseparable, one life faculty, 7 other faculties, eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, female 6, male 6, and heart piece. Now you see, what are the 17 common bone rupa? I think, yeah, 8, 9, yes. But they are not including akasa rupa and upachaya santati, because usually kama bone rupa, there are 20, no? There are 20 kama bone rupa, but we are not include here uh, uh, akasa rupa and upachaya santati, 2 rupa also not include here. Okay, now please better check your chart. There are 9 types of kammaja rupa kalapa. What are the 9 types of kammaja rupa kalapa? First group we call chakku dasaka, eye decade, 10 group of eye. What are the 10? There are 8 avinibhoga rupa. 8 avinibhoga rupa. Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo, Vanna, Gandha, Rasa, Oja. Do you remember that? 8 avinibhoga plus Jivita, 5 faculty. So life faculty. 8 inseparable rupa plus life faculty. And Chakku Pasada, eye sensitivity. 9 plus 1 become 10. Actually founded, you can found in the physical eye, because this is we call the Paramatta Chakku Dasaka Kalapa, 10 group of eye meaning, but Paramatta, the Panyati, physical eye. Supporting function is to see in everyone. Because of the eye, we can see everything by eye. This is a meaning. Okay. About the Sota Dasaka Kalapa also same. Eye decade means the 10 type of 10 group of ear sensitivity. So yeah, ear. About what are the 10? 8 avinibhoga and jivitindriya and sota pasada, and we call it the physical eye, and hearing, to the hearing. About the Gahana Dasaka Kalapa. About the nose, there are 10 nose. Sorry, the 10 group, 10 type of group of the nose. There are 8 avinibhoga, jivitindriya, Gahana Pasada. Nose is sensitivity. But the physical nose and smelling. About the Juha Dasaka, 10 group of Juha, tongue. This one also 10, understand, no? Kaya Dasa Kalapa also, there are 10 group of body. And Itti Bhava Dasaka Kalapa, female 6 decade. For the female, they have the 10 rupa, because the Bhava Dasaka Kalapa, Itti Bhava. For the male, Pum Bhava Dasaka Kalapa. There are 10 type of group of the male. Yeah. And Hadaya Vattu Dasaka Kalapa, heart base, they are 10 rupa. Jivita Navaka Kalapa, they are life, no, not life faculty, including with 9 rupa with life faculty. Actually, those are rupa, it's called Kammaja Rupa Kalapa. Kammaja Rupa Kalapa. Kamabon Rupa. Kamabon Rupa. Now the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, 9. There are 9 Kalapa. Okay. Now 9 type of Kammaja Rupa Kalapa. What are the 9? Chakku dasaka, Sota dasaka, Ghana dasaka, Jiva dasaka, Kaya dasaka, Itti bhava dasaka, Purisa bhava dasaka, Hadevatu davasaka, Jivita navaka kalapa. Now you see 8 inseparable rupa, life faculty, there are 9, 10 other faculties. So 7 other eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, female and male, and heart base. That's why then 9 types of common rupa kalapas. There are total 17 rupa. There are total 17 rupa. You can count and you can understand. And please try to understand according to Dhamma Sangani. In Dhamma Sangani, for the purpose of classification here into rupas that are produced by karma. In addition to the previously mentioned 17 type of rupa that can exist in karma-born rupa kalapas, we need to include akasa dhatu, space element, and the 2 characteristic rupa related to arising of rupa kalapa, rupasa upachayo, rupasa santati, generation and continuity. These unconcrete, unreal rupas can also be discerned when a karma-born kalapa is produced. And by the same explanation, these 3 are also included for rupas born of other origin, chittaja, utuja, and aharaja. However, the other 2 characteristic rupas, jarata and anicchata, aging and impermanence, are not discerned with the production of the kalapa. So, they are excluded from all type of rupa production in this classification. So in total, there are 20 type of rupas that are classified as karma born or being grasped at upadinna. Okay, this is for your knowledge, for your understanding. Okay, now comparing rupas of different origins. There are 20 rupas that are karma-born rupa. Now you see, karma-born rupa kalapa, chitta-born, utuja-born, aharaja-born. There are 4 types of kalapa, no? We already explained. You see, inseparable, these avinibhoga, there are 8 rupa. We can see every kalapa. In the karma group also, chittaja kalapa also, uttuja ahara. In the every kalapas we can see 8 avinibhoga rupa. Now I think inseparables rupa, do you remember, no? Patavi, apo, tejo, vayo, vanna, gandha, rasa, oja. And the life faculty only karma-born kalapa, only karma-born. Cannot say chitta, uttu, and ahara. Other faculties, indriya, other 7 faculty, no? Chakku, sota, ghana, jivha, kaya, itti bhava, purisa bhava. There are other 7 faculties called only karma-born rupa. Not chitta-born, not uttuja-born, not aharaja-born. Only 7 karma-born rupa. After that, heart base, hade rupa also, only karma-born rupa. Cannot say other. About the saddha, sound, subject, object, saddha, sound object, must be chitta-born or utuja-born rupa. Cannot say karma-born rupa, because we can listen something here now. Those are all the sound cannot say karma is producing us. That's why sound is chittaja and utuja kalapa. How about the vinyati, intimation rupa? two, one of the bodily action, one is the speech action, bodily intimation and verbal intimation. That about the two vinyati also, only chittaja born kalapa, chitta born kalapa, only chitta born kalapa. After that, explaining about the lahuta, muduta, kamanyata, three changing rupa. Also, excluding kamma, others are included in the other kalapa. Chittaja kalapa, utuja kalapa, aharaja kalapa. Now you see about the three type of changing rupa, we can see only chittaja kalapa, utuja kalapa and aharaja kalapa. The same way, space, akasa dhatu, space element, we can see everywhere. Between the kama born rupa, same way chitta born rupa, nutriment born rupa, etc. How about rupasa upachaya and rupasa santati? Rupasa upachaya is rupasa upachaya generation. Rupasa santati is a continuity. These two also, the Dhamma Sangani book, according to Dhamma Sangani book, they including under the 4 Rupa Kalapa. Under 4 Rupa Kalapa. And about the aging and impermanence. Impermanent. Rupasa Jarata and Rupasa Anichata, not including any Kalapa. Not including any Kalapa. Not including any Kalapa. Now you see about the total rupas. Total there are 28. Those are 28 rupa. Among the 28, there are 20 kama born rupa. There are 17 utuja born rupa. There are 15. Sorry, there are 17 chittaja rupa. There are 17 chittaja rupa. There are 15 utuja rupa. There are 14 bahira rupa. Again, how many kamaja rupa, kama born rupa? There are 20. How many chitta born rupa? How many chittaja rupa? There are 17. How many utuja rupa? There are 15. How many aharaja rupa? There are 14. Okay, now this is a explanation for the understand. Included, not common on other origin, ekanta, definitely only this origin. Example, you see, there are 9 rupa, definitely only kama born rupa. There are 2 intimation rupa, definitely only chitta born rupa. This way, don't have utujan aharajan in the definite rupa. Don't have in the under the utujan aharaja kalapa. About next one, included but common to other origin. Anekanta, increased can be this or other origins. This way, there are 11 rupa. 11 rupa means that there are 20 of among of the 28 kama rupa. There are 9 is ekanta, but 11 is anekanta. 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 Okay. For the chittaja rupa, there are definitely ekanta. There are 2. Anekanta. There are 15. There are anekanta. There are 15. And same way, anekanta utujan aharaj, the same. Utuja there are 15, aharaj there are 14. Excluded ekanta, definitely not this origin. I see. Excluded on ekanta, definitely not this origin. Okay, there are 8. You see, because now the 28 minus 20 become 18, no? Those are 18 rupa. Sorry, those are 8 rupa. Those are 8 rupa. We can say ekanta, definitely not this origin, not this the Kamabon Rupa Kalapa. Same way, there are 11 Rupa Anekanta. So the 11 Rupas, 11 Rupa, definitely not this origin. There are 13 Rupa and there are 14 Rupa. Again, there are 8 of Kama Jarupa, there are 11 of Chitta Jarupa, there are 13 of Utujarupa, there are 14 of Ahara Jarupa. Okay, this one also maybe you understand not, I don't know, but try again and again, because this one like a counting method, and this one we have to focus to catch the meaning. Okay, now you see the but notes, they have the notes. So when we discern any of these, we know there are definitely ekanta kamabon rupa. 11 others rupa. What are the 11? 8 inseparable space, space, generation and continuity can either be karma born or produced by other origin. Yeah, okay. This is a meaning. Hence, their origin is not definitely anekanta. Remaining 8 rupa are already definitely ekanta, not karma born rupa. Okay, I think maybe this is an extra explanation, like revision class for the them to understand about the rupa of the kalapa. There are 9 kalapa in the Kamabon kalapa, etc., etc., purely study. Now, please, you see the they have the 2 circle, no? The upadinna, anupadinna. Go and check, see, upadinna and upadinna. Upadin, the red color circle, upadinna. Blue color circle, anupadinna. Do you remember that? 28 rupa, we make the 2 categories, upadinna, anupadinna. Definitely, upadinna is the compound rupa, they are 9. Definitely, anupadinna, not compound rupa, they are 8. But both, some of the rupa is upadinna, some of the rupa is anupadinna. Now, definitely, there are 11 rupa must be going to both sides. That's why 11 rupa is they put in the middle. 9 plus 11, comma 1 kalapa. 11 plus 8, not come 1 kalapa. No come 1 kalapa. Sorry, rupa. Again, 9 plus 11, 12 rupa is called karma born rupa. 11 plus 8 become 19 rupa also, not including karma born rupa. These are all non-karma born rupa. Okay. Now the upadinna, anupadinna chart. Again, please go and check. Please try to get the meaning. Upadinna, there are what are the upadinna? Upadinna is definitely kamabon rupa. Ekanta kamabon rupa. There are 9. There are 9. You see, 5 sensitivity, life faculty, 2 sex faculty, and 1 heart base. You see, again, yes. What are the 9 upadinna ekanta? 5 sensitivities, 1 life faculty, 2 sex faculty, and 1 heart base. 1 heart base. Okay. Upadinna anekanta. Next group. Upadinna ekanta. Not definitely karma born rupa. There's a 4 mahabhuta, 4 elements: sound, space, generation, and continuity. continuity. Okay, those are 11 rupa we call upadinna anekanta. Upadinna anekanta. Anupadinna ekanta. Anupadinna ekanta. Definitely not hamabon rupa. Sound, 2 intimation, 3 change, and again impermanence, 2 lakkhana rupa. Last 2 lakkhana rupa. Those are 8 we call anupadinna ekanta. Anupadinna ekanta. Okay. Now the ekanta anekanta, no, because the upadinna upadinna kamabon rupa, there are 9. Upadinna anekanta, anupadinna ekanta. Yeah, upadinna anekanta means not definitely kamabon rupa. Anupadinna ekanta means definitely none kamma born rupa. Okay, this is our chart. I think maybe you can get the meaning. Okay, please continue. Another PowerPoint. Combining with attikam bahiram. Ajjatikam bahiram. Combined with ajjatikam bahiram. Now you see Upadinnam, Anupadinnam group. Upadinna, there are 9 and 11. And Anupadinna also, there are 11 and 8. Okay. 9 plus 11, there are 20 rupas Upadinna Kamabon Rupa. Sorry. 11 plus 8, there are 19 rupa we call Anupadinna Rupa. Okay. Now you see 9 rupa. 9 Kamabon Upadinna Rupa, we can make the 2 categories. 5 sensitivities is called Ajjatika. Remaining 4 life faculty, 2 sex faculty, and 1 heart base. There are 4 rupa called, remaining 4 rupa called Bahirang, external. Okay. And next one, they say 11 rupa and 8 rupa. All remaining Bahirang. All remaining Bahirang. Okay, Bahirang. So only separate the Upadinang Ekanta 9 into Ajjatikang Upadinang, there are 5, and Bahirang Upadinang, there are 4. The rest are all under Bahira. Okay. Please read your chart again. Ajjatikang Upadinang, there are 5. Bahirang Upadinang, there are 15. Bahirang Anupadinang, there are 19. This is a total amount. Again, Ajjatikang Upadinam, there are 5 rupa. Internal Kamabon rupa. External Kamabon rupa and external not Kamabon rupa. This is the meaning. Bahirang Upadinam, external rupa. Upadinam. Yeah, external Kamabon rupa. External Kamabon rupa. They are definitely there are 4, not definitely there are 11, become 15. You see, 15. They are Bahirang Upadinam, there are 15 rupa. Bahirang Anupadinam, there are 19 rupa. Bahirang Anupadinam is called, there are 19 rupa. 19 rupa. Okay. Again, please go check your notes. They have the chart also. Ajjatikang Upadinang, Bahirang Upadinang, Bahirang Anupadinang. Ajjatikang Upadinang, there are 5. Bahirang Upadinang, definitely there are 4. Bahirang Anupadinang, definitely there are 8. But now combined together. Upadina there are 15, Anupadina there are 8, 19. Okay, this is a meaning. How? Okay, now you see your chart. They have the red color, Ajjatikang Upadida. There are 5. Only Chakku, Sota, Gahana, Jiva, 5, the 5 faculties or 5 sensitivity rupa. And after that, Bahira Rupa also they divide 2 ways. Upadin Kamabon Rupa, Anupadin not Kamabon Rupa. And Upadin they divide in 2 ways, Ekanta, Anekanta. Definitely and non-definitely. Anupadin also they divide 2 ways, Anekanta and Ekanta. Anekanta they are not sure, Ekanta definitely. Okay. Now you see, Ajjatikang Upadina, there are 5 rupa. Bahirang Upadinang, there are 15 rupa. And Bahirang Anupadinang, there are 19 rupa. There are 19 rupa. But now 4, 11, 8, this one we can 5, 4, 11, 8. Now we make the one chart. No, they have the drawing. The red color circle, they're different, they're separate because they're totally Ajjatika, they are separate. Ajjatika Upadina. But the external rupa, total external rupa, how many? How many external rupa? Bahira external rupa. Though all thing, no, 11 plus 8 plus 4. 4, 11, 8. We call Bahira Rupa. Ajjatikang Upadinam, there are 4. So there are 5. Bahira Rupa, there are 23. Those are 23 Rupa also. We can make the 2 group. Bahirang Upadinna, Bahirang Anupadinna. Bahirang Upadinna means, what's mean? Bahirang Upadinna. Bahirang Upadinna is Bahira Rupa, but Upadinna. And the external Kamabon Rupa. Bahirang Anupadinna, external not Kamabon Rupa. Not Kamabon Rupa. Okay, now you see, now this chart also we already explained. I think today we just explain only 2 group, 2 explanation according to Dhamma Sangani book, because we already we want to make the easy way for the audience, because the someone can understand, someone cannot understand. But may all of you try to get the meaning of the classified of Rupa, because we still don't know. We still don't know about the Rupa clearly. That's why if someone doesn't know clearly, difficult to get the catch the meaning. That's why everyone try to do revision class, revision note. Again, please repeatedly try to read and to discuss. At that time, you can keep and you can understand what is the difference between Ajjatika, Bahira, Upada, no Upada, Upadinna, Anupadinna. This is the meaning. Okay. Yeah. This, but we can next one also similar. Similar Ajjatikang Upadinnupadaniyam, Bahirang Upadinnupadaniyam, Bahirang Anupadinnupadan. Similar for the Ajjatikang Upadinna, Bahirang Upadinna, Bahirang Anupadinna. The similar meaning. Internal karma bond, external karma bond, external not karma bond, rupa. This one also the similar for the lessons. Now that's why we already not explaining. Uh, this one also can understand. Ajjatikang upadinu padan, and there are 5. Bahirang upadinu padan, and there are 4 plus 11. Bahirang anupadinu padan, 11 plus 8. This way, please understand about the meaning. Okay, I think enough for today for the for the Abhidhamma lessons. So if you have any question, please let me know, and try to keep your mind all the lessons, all the explanation very useful for the when you are going to practice the Vipassana meditation deeply. At that moment, very helpful for us. Those are notes and for the understanding. May all of you be healthy. May all of you be well and happy. May all of you be free from all suffering and attain Nibbana soon. Okay, sisters and brothers, please, do you have anything to ask? Please let me know.
Thank you very much, Bhante. Bhante stressed many times that we have to know this is because of the practical meditation.
Yes, practical, because
the Vipassana.
Yes, those are the Vipassana, the meditation object.
Okay.
If someone want to discern the Rupa deeper and deeper,
Yes.
at the time we need this knowledge.
Yes. Okay.
Without understanding, we cannot divide, because we are going to divide our physical body. No, our physical body, they have the Paramattha Rupa. Those are Paramattha Rupa. We are going to divide into different way for the understanding, to break out our ditti view.
Okay, Bhante, I also curious. When we do the practical, we follow which one? Follow the Dhamma Sangani? Or
actually, the Lord Buddha mentioned Dhamma Sangani.
Yes. Okay.
But the and the Visuddhimagga also explain in simple way.
Okay.
And the Abhidhamma Sangha also explain in simple way. First of all, you try to get the simple meaning of Rupa.
Yes.
After that, you can go to the deep way to understand the Rupa.
Okay.
But that's why the first of all, many of the bhikkhu and lay peoples, if they want to know the Abhidhamma, they always read the 7 book. Difficult to understand. That's why the ancient some teachers give the explanation book. They take from the text, and after they write down the short and the systematically organize the Abhidhamma book. Example, Abhidhammatta Sangha, no? Abhidhamma Sangha, they are systematically organized. Good for the beginners. They have a lot of different small Abhidhamma book. But if you have the knowledge about the base of the Rupa, then easy to understand explanation of the Dhamma Sangani.
Okay.
This one is very helpful.
Yes. Okay, Bhante. Now we understand. Any other questions? If there's no question, we see Bhante next week, same time.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Bhante. Sadhu.
Sukhi hotu nibbana. Please share in mails. Repeat after me. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu sadhu 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 sukhi hotu nibbana pacca hotu sukhi hotu nibbana pacca hotu sukhi hotu nibbana pacca hotu